Bitcoin bearish divergence now confirmed on this very chart, and that is what I will be talking about today. If you look at this, market move upward a little bit at this very point, and if you connect the same point on the indicator from this very peak of the MACD histogram to this very level, you see this bearish divergence have been confirmed, and I was talking about this divergence for the past 3 days. Okay, so it was a potential divergence and now turned into a confirmed divergence. What is in for us right now as traders as we approach the next trading day? Is the market going to go below this level of $42,000 and $40,000 into the $36,000 and many more right here into this technical analysis? So watch this very video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. If you look at the 1-day chart BTC USDT, I told you that market is going to come back to the downside. Okay, so and that is exact same thing we see right here. Market come back down, and the potential divergence I was talking about have turned to a confirmed divergence. So bearish divergence on the chart confirmed already right now. So I am expecting this market to move back to the downside a little bit. So market should come back into this level of $40,000, and market should remain within this very zone of $40,000. That is my own expectation. And one thing you have to do right now is that you have to pay attention to this very level, because right now there is a possibility of the market breaking this very level of support right here and move to the downside. And if we see that breakout, the market is going to come into the $37,000 and $36,000 at this very point. This is what you must have to watch right now on your chart. Bearish divergence confirmed, and the market is going to come back to the downside. This is my expectation right now. So the confirmation on this very chart is the MACD have started formation on the negative side, like I told you yesterday. And not only that, if you draw a trend line on this very area, it is called that there is a breakout of this trend line right here with this very candle that dropped right to the downside. So we could possibly see the market come back up a little bit and then continue back to the downside on Bitcoin. Okay, so right now, like I said in my last video, I am still very much bullish on Bitcoin. Even though we see this breakout, market have to retrace, but what I am looking at right now is market coming back to the downside. So when market comes back down to the downside, it is another opportunity to buy for the next move to the upside. So even though the market moved back down from where the market is right now into this area, is a nice opportunity to keep buying for a long-term holding. And if market break this level of support and come back into this level of $36,000 at this very point, it is another opportunity to buy again for the market to move to the upside for long-term holding. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now. If you want to long the market on Bitcoin, you have to wait right now, because market is going to come back to the downside. So it is not the right time to long the market on futures. Wait for the market to come back down and give us a sign that it's going to move back up again for the next impulsive move to the upside with bullish momentum. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now on this chart. And if you look at this very area on the chart as well, we see this very pattern is a rising wedge. So a rising wedge in an uptrend is a reversal pattern. So the markets have capacity of retracing deeply instead of a reversal. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now, guys, for the market. So watch this level of support closely, because a breakout here is going to send us into this very point of $36,000 at this very area of support, which the market break out and then move back to the upside, which will act as a support for the market to move upward. This is what I'm paying attention to on the 1-day chart right now. And on the 4-hour chart, in my last video, I told you that market is going to come back down, and that is exact same thing we see right here. Market from here, market was at this very point, and I said market is going to come back down into this very zone. You see, market come back down a little bit more than expected, and right now at this very point, what I am expecting is the market to move upward. Like I told you, that very move is not a time to long the market because it will not create a new high. That is what I'm expecting. So even though the market move upward, I'm not expecting market creation of a new high. That is what I'm expecting. What I'm looking at is the market move upward and then continuation back to the downside. So right now, from this place where the market is right now of 43.1k, I am expecting the market to move upward into this very zone of supply. Then from here, market is going to come back to the downside. So what you have to do is to wait for the market to move up a little bit and then give you a sign. So once you see that sign of market coming back down with bearish momentum, then this very area will be a nice time to begin to short the market to the downside. This is what I am expecting right now. And if you look at this very area, we have where the market spike out from in the past before the next move to the upside, and this very spike as well. That is where we see the market in right now. So market enter into this area of spike area, and right now I am expecting that this market from this zone begin to move upward. So this is my expectation right now on Bitcoin, a movement upward. Then this movement will now present us a short opportunity with bearish momentum to the downside. The market is going to move back to the downside. So it is better for you to look for short opportunity instead of buying the market on Bitcoin. And right now on the ETH chart, ETH still have momentum of moving to the upside, and what I am now paying attention to is the market coming back down a little bit. Remember in my last video I talked to you about the market coming into this very zone right here where we see this spike, and that is what I am still expecting. So market should come back down a little bit into this area before the next move to the upside. So for ETH, it is still good for looking to buy the market or long the market to the upside. So from here where the market is right now, market should come back down a little bit into this very area. Then from here, market is going to move to the upside. So from this point, market is going to present to us a long or buy opportunity to the upside on ETH. This is what I am expecting right now on the immediate short time. Expect the market to come back down first of all before that very movement. And on Solana, if you look at Sol, I did that Sol is going to move down before the next move to the upside, and that is what it is on the chart. From this very point of support right here, market is going to move to the upside. So we have a very strong order block right at this very point, and that is what I am paying attention to right now. So from where the market is right here to this very region, market is going to begin to move to the upside. This is what I'm paying attention to right now on Solana, and I am not expecting the market to create a new high as well. So market move upward from this very area and then come back to the downside again. So it will be nice for you to look for short opportunity when the market move into this area and present to us this very opportunity to short the market to the downside. And what you need to note is looking for bearish momentum to the downside before you can take a short position. So watch the market moving upward. It is not a good time to buy. Rather, wait for the market to move upward, and then from here, market is going to present to us that opportunity to short the market to the downside. This is what you must have to watch right now on the USDT 4-hour chart. And lastly, on ADA, if you watch my immediate last video, I talked to you about ADA coming back to the downside after this very impulsive move to the upside, and that is the exact same thing we see right here. So from this very zone where the market is right now to this very area, I am expecting the market to move upward for ADA. Okay, market should move upward and not creation of a new high as well on ADA. So from here on ADA, market should begin to find its way to the upside. So a good buy opportunity will be good to initiate from this very area to the upside and monitor the way the market move upward. Okay, this is what you must have to watch right now on the ADA USDT 4-hour chart. A recap of today's video: market on the ADA chart have to come back to the upside. So this impulsive move, retracement into this area, and the market is going to continue again. So looking for a buy opportunity here will be a fine thing to do. And for Solana, market is at this very point of support already. I am expecting the market to move upward, and then a short opportunity will be a nice thing to do from this very zone of resistance right at this point. And on ETH, I am expecting that this market move down a little bit, then move to the upside. So for ETH, looking for buy opportunity is a nice thing to do on the chart, not shorting. And on BTC, shorting the market would be the perfect idea after the market to move upward and present us that short opportunity at this very point on the chart. And on the Bitcoin 1-day chart, very importantly, we are seeing a rising wedge on the chart, and we are also seeing a bearish divergence. Market is going to come back to the downside into this level of $40,000. And if we break this level, market is going to come back into the $36,000. This is what I am expecting right now on the chart. So pay attention to these various charts and trade in line with your strategy. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this, and check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. If you're not registered on Binance, Bybit, and OKX, check the description of this video and see a registration link and do your registration right now. And for Bybit, when you register and deposit the least $100 and take a trade, you will be given a $1,000 bonus. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.